Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add control panel on context menu on Windows 11 or 10. For this, I will use registry editor method. So let me start. First click on this one, a start button, and then type registry. Then click on registry editor app to open it. In case Windows prompts, then click on the yes button. Then you need to copy and paste this one path from this video description. After that, click on enter on the keyboard. Then cell key will be selected. After that, right click on this one cell key, select new, and then key option, name it as control space panel. Then click outside, again right click on this one control panel, select here new, and then key option, and name this newly created key as command. Then click outside. On the right you will find default regsz. Here double click on this one and copy next one line and paste here in the value data field. After that, click on the OK button, close the register, and right click anywhere on free space on the desktop or drive or folder, and you will see show more options. Click on it for Windows 11, and then you will find control panel, and clicking on this you can open control panel. On Windows 10, when you will right click, you will directly see control panel. Thanks for watching this video.